Meaning of incorporated.
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 Incorporated. The term incorporated refers to the legal process of creating a new corporation or company. Incorporation involves registering the business with the government and establishing it as a separate legal entity from its owners or shareholders. The result of incorporation is that the business is granted limited liability protection, which helps to protect the personal assets of the owners from potential lawsuits or debts incurred by the business. Additionally, incorporation typically offers tax benefits and greater access to capital markets, making it an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to grow their businesses.